Anybody here taking the Peak Producers course? Anybody here? It's good stuff. There's some good stuff on negotiation in there, isn't there? Okay. When was the last time you worked on that? When was the last time you read a book on that? Okay. When do we normally practice negotiation? During negotiation. Okay, you ready for this? So one of the things I do all the time in my negotiations for my own real estate is I'll reach a point, I just walk away. Okay, that's the offer. Boom. All right, we're done. And I do it all the time. Now, I do it when it's needed. You follow me? So I recently bought my son is just graduated from SMU. He's a football player. So they're moving to Coronado. So they're looking at Coronado real estate, and they find a place, and I go down there with them. And they're going to rent literally, it would be hard for folks in Richmond to get their heads around this. For $3,000 a month, the best thing they could find was a room above a garage. Okay? There was a homemade shower that was about this tall, made out of wood. The thing was built in 1954 by an admiral. And I'm like, what? And I start researching the market. Now I'm in the middle of all these real estate deals for me and the family, and I'm looking around, nah, this dog ain't gonna hunt. I'm looking at the rental market, I'm looking at the purchase market, so I go buy one. I said, you can rent from me. Okay? Just sign that little government check right over to Daddy. So we're during the negotiation. So the guy's a developer, and he's done a bunch of deals. And he writes back in the counteroffer, Dear Mr. Feeney, thank you so much for your offer. I've attended many of your events. Thank you for your contribution to the real estate industry. And for your contribution, here's my final price. I am so happy about that contribution y'all talking about. But there's a little more of a contribution y'all need to make. Okay? So we walk away. Now here's the deal. He doesn't know the only thing available to us is the garden shed above the garage. But we're 30 grand apart, so what do? I walk away. And then what? You gotta wait about a week. And then he calls back. Well, what's going on? So I shared with you what my number was. And then the guy calls back, and sure, it's accepted. And oh, by the way, the developer, his partner, and him have split up, and the thing is totally furnished. Would you guys mind the furnishings? And okay, I'll take care of it for you. Here's the deal. When was the last time you worked on your negotiation skills? By the way, is that the most discernible skill you get paid for? Isn't one of the things you're able to look a client in the eye and say, I'm able to get you more money for your house than you can get yourself? And I'm able to get you a better deal than you can get yourself? Isn't that one of the things we offer, yes or no?